On the display of all CM actuators and AB actuators with SmartCon control unit, you see that all parameters are on one level. For all actuators, it is also possible to change the display that you see all parameters not on one level, so that you can see also the parameters with a sub menu. Therefore, we go to the last parameter and go back to parameter group 20.7 menu style, and you see it is set to 0 classic style, and now we can change it to a modern style. So we set the value to 1 and save this parameter and go back to the main menu, and when we go to the parameter group, you see that the parameter menu has changed, where you can see all parameter groups, end limit, for torque, and so on, in one line. So if you want to change the speed of the actuator, you have to confirm that you want to change the speed. Then you see all 6 adjustable speeds of the actuator: emergency close, emergency open, and so on. And now, for example, we want to change the speed for remote open control, so we confirm that we want to change parameter 4.3. We confirm this, and now we have the question on the display if we want to change this parameter. We confirm that we want to change this parameter, and then you can change the remote open speed, for example, to 50 rotations per minute. Now we save this parameter and have set the value to 50 rotations per minute. Now I always have to push down the red switch and go back step by step to the main menu.